All right. So I'm recording. So I'm gonna so the Project Atlas application has been, the peer review, what I submitted to Hercules has been approved. Justin, you're gonna need to have your double monitor because you're gonna need to have the Project Atlas document that I uploaded into Hercules. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna access the shared drive as eLaporte and start 1, 2, 3, right? And then you're gonna come down to Project Atlas 2022 and you're gonna click, you know what you're gonna do? You're gonna pick one, one of these two, right? So that is OFBI. You're gonna have to have a little pen and paper. And so this is OFBI, or because this is what the steps you're gonna have to do. OFBI PA-005. Okay, so you're gonna scroll up to administration. You're gonna go to status push documents. You're gonna go to document template. You're gonna scroll down to OFBI Project Atlas 2022. You're gonna click this. You're gonna go down to status. You're gonna go to application submitted. You're gonna click search. Now, you're gonna pick one of these. Well, I'll do this one. You're gonna pick this one, and you're gonna change the status to at-home review. Now, in the peer review process, you with me, Justin?
Yeah.
All right. In the peer review process, when the application is submitted, and you identify the panels and you begin to identify what panels are going to read what, you have to change the status of the applications to at-home review in order to assign the application to a particular panel.
Okay.
Right. So then you change this to push selected documents to at-home review. And so now it's at-home review, right? So when you get into the shared drive, in order to get to this application that says at-home review, you're gonna have, it won't be here, I don't think. Let me see. Project Atlas 2022, is it? Yes, it is. It'll be in your My Task page. And the one that so you have two in here, which is fine. The one that I think just somebody did it. The one that you're gonna look at is this one. So you click the link. And then you're going to scroll down, hover over Forms menu, scroll down to Rating Sheet. Click Rating Sheet. And then you'll get to the rating sheet. This is a rating sheet. And so what you're gonna do is you're gonna take whatever I uploaded into Project Atlas, which I already sent to you, and you're gonna make sure that everything, the sections that I had identified to be changed are changed. And then you're gonna make sure that that happens. And then you're going to take the grant guidelines and make sure that each section points are what we want them to be, and that the bullets align to what is said in the grant guidelines. And then what you're gonna do is you're just gonna put scores in here. So you're gonna put the max scores in here to make sure that the max score here doesn't exceed 5 points, right? So it's 2, 3, 4, 5. You're gonna have to put the word test there. And then you're gonna do this with all of these. So in testing this process, you're also gonna be intimately knowledgeable on what the peer review process is to get them to, wait a second. Can you actually do this as a? No, you can't.
This is what I was gonna ask as well.
Yeah, you can't. What we're gonna do here is you're gonna make sure that each section has been changed and that the points equal to each other.
Okay.
Once you test this, then you say, okay, Eddie, Project Atlas. I swear to God.
Is everyone else unfrozen?
No, I was frozen.
Oh,
I was frozen.
Okay.
So what you're gonna do here, Justin. Can you hear me, everybody?
Yeah.
Yeah, we can.
Why my
Yes.
internet, I don't know why my internet isn't stable. I'm practically sitting on top of the damn router. All right, so you're gonna have to make sure that each of these are done, right? And then I'm going to create another webinar that I think I'm gonna have to look at the 2 webinars that I sent you to see if I showed you how to create a test peer reviewer. If you guys watch the webinar, do I speak to the fact of how to create a test webinar? I mean, a peer reviewer for testing. Do I show that in that process? I don't remember.
I don't know. I don't remember.
Yeah, I don't think so. I don't.
Something
Right,
you
all right.
do.
So I'm gonna have to go in and say, okay, this is how you create a.
Eddie, before you move along, I have a question. You're doing Project Atlas 2022. Is that what you wanted to do, or is it 2021?
$2022. Why wouldn't it be 2022?
Okay.
I'm just asking.
Oh,
This
because
is for the new funding cycle.
Yeah, the 22 funding cycle.
right. Sorry, I'm thinking.
It's all right.
So we're always a year ahead. It's okay. I got it.
We're always a year
Yeah,
ahead,
exactly.
right? We're always a year ahead.
I've been doing it for so.
All right, so Justin, what I need you to do is say, okay, I'm gonna check this, make sure that each of the sections are correct. They align with with what I uploaded into Hercules, and then you're gonna take the grant guidelines and make sure that each of the sections align with the grant guidelines. All right?
All right, got it.
So let me stop recording on this. Stop recording.